Section H, problem 1. In this section, we will mainly focus on sweep. The problems are Allen wrench, simple spring clip, kettlebell, and spring clip. So let's start with the first problem, that is Allen wrench. For the sweep feature, we have to create two sketches. The one would be the profile and the one would be the path along which we need to extrude the profile. So let's start with the first sketch, that is the path. Give tangent made between these two. Now give the dimensions. This is 6. The height is 75. And this is 25. So the first sketch of path is ready. We can come out and start another sketch on the top plane. We need a polygon like this. We can constrain it on the origin, one of the line. Dimension, this distance is given as 4. Now to constrain it, we can select this one line, make it vertical. So this is complete. So both our sketches of profile and path are complete. Now we can go to swept. First we have to select the profile, so this would be the profile and then this would be the path. So this is now done. Let's apply the material. The material is AISI 1020. Apply. Let's check the mass. 10.32 and 10.32. So this is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.